this is a true community school. And I really appreciate how the town staff has worked on this project in concert with Wake County School System. And on this site, I think you really have to think about the connectivity that's here. Not only the roads, but the sidewalks, the crosswalks, across the bridges, going all the way back to Academy Street. And then Washington Street, the street on this side, will connect back out to Judd Parkway. So a lot of thought and a lot of effort has gone into this project from a planning standpoint. And that's a big deal because that's where you get the most out of your school and your community. Easy access, people moving about, moving in and out.
The Town of Fuquay-Varina has invested close to $1 million in pedestrian improvements in the last 3 years along Bridge Street. These improvements included sidewalk, handicap ramps, crosswalks, and these improvements allow their students and their families to have a safe travel as they navigate the Bridge Street corridor.
We've had probably about 50 houses now rehabbed in this area. This community has come back a long way in that process. We have additional parks in this area. The school has been a catalyst, a center point of all of that economic development that's taken place for Fuquay-Varina. And I'm so excited that we were able to do it. And thank the Wake County School System that we were able to do it. The future is about these little children. They're going to be the next leaders in America. And we have to figure out a way to invest in them